Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn filters to find entry-level tech jobs step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once on your home page, navigate to the search bar at the top. Type entry-level tech jobs into the search bar and hit enter. You will now see a list of job postings. On the results page, look for the filters button, typically located at the top of the list. Click on the Filters button to open the filtering options. In the Filters menu, locate the Experience Level section. Select the checkbox for Entry Level. Next, scroll down to the Company section to specify any preferred companies. If you have companies in mind, type them into the provided search box. Now, move to the Location filter. Choose your desired location or select Remote if you prefer to work from anywhere. After inputting your filters, click the Apply button at the bottom of the filter menu. The job listings will refresh to show only positions that meet your criteria. Review the updated list of job postings that fit your entry-level tech job search. Click on any job title to view the complete job description and application details. Take note of any roles that interest you. Prepare to tailor your resume and cover letter to match the job requirements. Continue to monitor this search periodically for new job postings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.